What determines the required quality and strength of fabric that is to be used for covering aircraft? Pounds per square foot of wing loading, and the never exceed airspeed of the aircraft. When are anti-tear strips recommended and where are they used? Under-wing rib stitching should cover the entire top surface of the wing and underside of the wing in the propeller slipstream. What is the maximum permissible deterioration of aircraft fabric before it is considered unairworthy? More than 30% from its original required tensile strength. What should be the strength of the fabric used for recovering an aircraft? Material must be at least as good quality and of equivalent strength as those originally used by the aircraft manufacturer. What is the purpose and location of drain grommets in aircraft fabric? Allow the condensed moisture to leave the aircraft as well as furnish ventilation, located on the underside of airfoils. How are drain grommets installed in aircraft fabrics? Directly to the covering. Name the methods of applying fabric to an aircraft wing. Blanket and envelope method. What is the purpose of reinforcing tape? Used under all stitching and prevents the stitching cord from tearing through the fabric. What type of fabric is not affected by moisture or mildew? Fiberglass fabrics. What methods are used to check the strength of dope fabric? Fabric punch test, mall test. What type of machine sewed seams are used in aircraft covering? Plain overlap, folded, fell, French fell. What should be done with structure that will come in contact with doped fabric? Protect with aluminum foil, dope-proof paint, or cellulose tape. If the original rib stitch spacing cannot be determined when recovering an aircraft, where can you find the rib stitch spacing that should be used? A. See 43.13-1b. What is the standard tie-off knot used during rib stitching? Modified seine knot. What do you call the edge of cloth, tape or webbing that has been woven to prevent unraveling? Salvage edge. What is a salvage edge? Edge of cloth, tape or webbing that has been woven to prevent unraveling. The type of fabric used for covering aircraft are organic and synthetic. Name 2 organic and 2 synthetic types. Organic fibers are cotton and linen. Synthetic include fiberglass and heat-shrinkable synthetic fibers. When covering aircraft, where is surface tape used? Sewed seams, lapped edges, and all stitching. Name the advantages of using the envelope method to cover fabric aircraft. Saves labor.
All sewing is done by machine. It's like putting on a sock. Almost stitching left to do is to the structure. Oh my god.
How are wrinkles removed from cotton fabric? Wetting the wrinkles and allowing it to dry. When is finishing tape applied? After the second coat of dope is dry. How wide should service tape be when used to cover the trailing edge of an aircraft wing? 3 inches. What is the recommended type of repair for an L-shaped tear when the legs are more than 14 inches long? Dope on a patch if the never exceed velocity is less than 150 miles per hour.